How to fix Discord login error. Check if Discord servers are running. Open your web browser and go to the Discord status website. Check if all systems are operational. If Discord servers are up and running, you might be experiencing an issue on the client side. Try the following fixes. Method 1. Disable proxy server. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type ni netcpl.cpl and click OK. In the Internet Properties window, select the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Unmark Use a proxy server for your LAN. Mark Automatically Detect Settings. Click OK. Method 2. Change the DNS server address. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in ncpa.cpl and click OK. Right-click your network adapter and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Tick Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server, type in 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save settings. Select Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and click Properties. Tick Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, type in 2606:4700:4700:1111. In the alternate DNS server, type in 2606:4700:4700:1001. Click OK to save settings. Restart your PC. Method 3. Clear web browser cache. Clear Google Chrome cache. Open Google Chrome. Click the ellipsis at the top right corner, select More Tools, and click Clear Browsing Data. Select the Advanced tab. Open the Time Range drop-down menu, and select All Time. Mark the browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files checkboxes. Click Clear Data. Clear Mozilla Firefox cache. Open Mozilla Firefox. Open the menu and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security panel. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section and click Clear Data. Mark the checkboxes next to Cookies and Site Data and Cached Web Content and click Clear. Then, click the Clear Now button. Clear Microsoft Edge cache. Open Microsoft Edge. Open the menu and select Settings. In the right pane, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, click the Choose What to Clear button. Open the Time Range drop-down menu and select All Time. Mark the checkboxes next to Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Click the Clear Now button. Method 4. Reset the web browser to default settings. Reset Google Chrome to default settings. Open Google Chrome. Click the ellipsis at the top right corner and click Settings. In the left pane, click Reset and Cleanup. Click Reset Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. Reset Mozilla Firefox to default settings. Open Mozilla Firefox. Open the menu and click Help. Click More Troubleshooting Information. Click Refresh Firefox in the top right of the window. Click Refresh Firefox. Reset Microsoft Edge to default settings. Open Microsoft Edge. Open the Settings menu and click Settings. In the left pane, click Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their default values. Click Reset. Method 5. Clear Discord desktop app cache. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in taskkill/f/in-discord.exe and press Enter. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in %of and click OK. Find the Discord folder, right-click it, and click Delete. Launch Discord. Enter your login credentials, and click Login. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.